Welcome to Understand the Math. In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to write a trigonometric product as a sum using product-to-sum identities. Our first example is sine 2x cosine 3x. We'll begin by writing down the sum to product identity. Sine alpha cosine beta is equal to 1/2 sine alpha plus beta plus sine alpha minus beta. We'll let alpha be equal to 2x and beta be equal to 3x. This gives us sine 2x cosine 3x is equal to 1/2 the quantity sine 2x plus 3x plus sine 2x minus 3x. Let's now simplify this. This gives us 1/2 times the quantity sine of 5x plus sine of minus x. We don't want to leave it as sine of minus x, so let's make a note that sine of minus x is equal to minus sine of x, and we'll plug that in. This gives us an answer of 1/2 times the quantity sine of 5x minus sine of x. Converting a product to sum like this is used a lot in calculus problems. Our second example is cosine 37.5 degrees times cosine 7.5 degrees. Our product to sum identity is cosine alpha cosine beta is equal to 1/2 the quantity cosine alpha minus beta plus cosine alpha plus beta. We'll let alpha be 37.5 degrees and we'll let beta be 7.5 degrees. Let's now plug this in. We have cosine 37.5 degrees times cosine 7.5 degrees. And that's going to be equal to 1/2 cosine of alpha, which is 37.5 degrees, minus beta, which is 7.5 degrees, plus cosine of these two added. So 37.5 degrees plus 7.5 degrees. This gives us 1/2 times cosine of 30 degrees plus cosine of 45 degrees. This then becomes 1/2. Cosine 30 degrees is root 3 divided by 2, plus cosine 45 degrees, which is root 2 divided by 2. This gives us a final answer of root 3 plus root 2, all divided by 4. If you do enough of these, you'll really start to get the hang of it. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.